Periodically, pharmacists are called upon to prepare liquid pharmaceutical preparations at a specified strength by combining two solutions of different strengths. When doing this, alligation calculations are helpful in determining the amounts of each solution to be used to yield a final product in the appropriate concentration. The following narration will take you through the steps involved in performing a standard alligation calculation using alcohol USP and distilled water. In this example, our goal is to prepare 200 milliliters of 70% ethyl alcohol. And we will do that by combining alcohol USP, which is 95% ethyl alcohol, along with distilled water. Please note that in order to effectively visualize the dilution process, the alcohol USP being used in this example has been colored green. Our first step in performing the alligation calculation is to list the percent concentration of ethyl alcohol in each component. 95% ethyl alcohol in the alcohol USP and 0% ethyl alcohol in distilled water. Next, we list the percent concentration of ethyl alcohol we wish to have in the final preparation, 70% in this example. Using these values, we then subtract diagonally either the percent ethyl alcohol in the component being used or the percent ethyl alcohol desired in the final component, whichever is smaller, as indicated here. Once these calculations are done, reading left to right, we've determined that 70 parts of alcohol USP and 25 parts of distilled water will be needed to prepare the final product. We then take these values and divide them by the sum of the two parts, which is equal to 95 total parts. Doing this gives us the percentage of each component that we will need to be used to make the final product. Multiplying these percentages by the final volume desired, namely 200 milliliters, shows us that 148 milliliters of the 95% ethyl alcohol, or alcohol USP, and 52 milliliters of distilled water will need to be measured and combined in order to make 200 milliliters 70% ethyl alcohol mixture that we desire. Procedurally, we now measure 148 milliliters of 95% ethyl alcohol in a graduated cylinder. Next, we accurately measure 52 milliliters of distilled water. These two components are then combined by adding the distilled water component to the 95% ethyl alcohol and then mixing them thoroughly by transferring the solution back and forth from the graduated cylinder to a beaker until the mixture is homogeneous. This final slide illustrates the difference between the original 95% ethyl alcohol, or alcohol USP, and the lighter, more dilute 70% ethyl alcohol solution, prepared using alligation calculations and procedures.